Hello everyone, I will discuss about the AWS S3 transfer acceleration. First I have to understand what is S3 transfer acceleration. If you have enabled S3 transfer acceleration, so if you are going to upload any data to S3, so it will upload like very high transfer rate, right? Yeah, per MB. So if it is not enabled, so it is taking more time. So this is the feature and how internally it works. So they have enabled when you are going to upload from Mumbai, so they have enabled some edge location nearby Mumbai. So just go to the data by Mumbai and then it will be merged with your S3 bucket. So let's suppose, so let's get started. How I have a two buckets, right? S3 transfer not enabled. This is naming convention laws. So S3 transfer is not enabled. I need to upload one content in same bucket, and let's monitor the time. One more bucket I do have in same account, AWS bucket example AWS current, which usually I have used to for S3 bucket examples. And transfer acceleration is enabled, right? Okay, how to enable all these things I will show you, right? So go to this, right? First I have to upload the data where it's not enabled. Basically I have ready all these commands, right? Just I need, this is the transfer acceleration. Go to the properties section, right? Where it is transfer acceleration. Okay, this is not coming, this is not coming, this is, so by default it is disabled. Basically I'm just going to not enable first demo, so it is enabled as per our this, right? It is not enabled, disabled, right? For this bucket enabled. So let's go ahead, right, for this. So this is disabled, that's why I'm showing you in this bucket. So now I need to upload content in this bucket, or same content I have to upload different bucket where transfer escalation is enabled. So let's see the live impact. Okay, I just need to show. So this is, I think I do have 200 MB file, right? I think 127. So let's see. Okay. Already I have configured AWS configure. CLI I have already configured, right? Paste. Just need to bucket name, right? This is not enabled. So I'm just going to upload same data, enabled and not enabled bucket. Hope you got it, guys. Has, first of all, date command I need to run. So it is lump sum, I can get it, right? So it's a, once again I need to run. Okay, I think we can start once this is done. 12, right? Okay. Oh, it is coming. Okay, 0. On. Let's see how it is uploaded. Just focus on this 1.3 MB. Okay, 1.678 MB per second is uploading. Okay, 41 MB is uploaded and total file size is 127 MB, right? So I will share you this. Because this is not coming yet. 86 MB. So it is going to upload any other location. It is a 127 second, right? This is where transfer escalation is not enabled. 120 second. So just need to monitor the time. I have started on this, right? How much time it takes. Date 1 minute 30 second. Okay. Okay, file is uploaded here. Same thing, we are going to go ahead, enabled bucket. Let me show you. It's a 1 minute. Okay, this is the bucket, right, where my transfer escalation is enabled. So when we are going to enable transfer escalation, so it will give you an endpoint. So I will use this endpoint while uploading. Okay, I just add one additional attribute using the endpoint. So this is already created. I have already copied this. And if you want like CLI basis, so if you do not want to add endpoint, so just need to make it this, right. I will show you how, when this need to be matter, right. So this is post enabled. Bucket name is this, right, already I showed you. Region is this, endpoint URL, this is the endpoint URL. Okay, same content, this is the content. Okay, same location we are right now. Okay, so it is a 1 minute 23 second, need to be uploaded 127 MB data. So I think I need to clear. Yeah, I do not need to clear. Okay, I will show you here. Home hash date is a 3 minute 2 second. Home and 3 minute 5 second. Okay, let's see. 4.6 4.7 Mbps per second, because we are using endpoint URL. Enable bucket 5. Do you know how much speed? It is the 2 times 3 times speed minimum. Okay, same data, same size. Okay, it got uploaded. Just need to do the 3 minute 40 second. When it started 3 minute 2 second, I think 5 second, 2 minute 2 3 second, 40. If we can count 38 second exactly, but it is I think 36 second. Or this data without S3, this is 000. So 1 minute 23 second. So it is look like 3 times faster minimum. 2 times to 100% it is like faster. Okay, and just need to show one more thing right here. I would like to add this configure point. If you want to do like this is right, so what exactly this added, right, through this, if you have added this now, so like I will show you. If you have added this, so just need to remove this endpoint. Okay, if you added this, and what is the impact this, right, cd colon AWS get config. This is added same. So default profile it is added. Okay, hope you got it right. And let me tell you one more thing, right, which is transfer escalation, how to monitor this, right. So this this is the video. This is the URL. Basically we can check North Virginia. This is S3 direct upload which I did. Okay, and this is escalation uploaded video. Right now there is no load of S3, so it is coming higher, right, but it is lesser. It will go down, and this will show you how to upload. So you just need to rerun this, right. Okay, just need to check at your end. So it is it is always escalation upload, always high rate. So I hope that is clear at your end. If you like this video, kindly comment and share and subscribe. Thank you. Thanks for watching, guys.